Am I visible to you? No, wait a second. Hello and welcome back to the digital e-learning module. In this digital classroom, you will learn about Internet of Things, commonly known as IoT, through real-life scenarios. Not only that, you will be tasked to complete some interesting activities that will ensure your correct understanding of IoT. Begin to learn IoT through a very interesting conversation between Aditya and Shreya. Good luck and happy learning. Hi Aditya, how have you been?
I'm fine. I'm really fascinated by the advanced technologies, and so I'm here.
Oh yes, I was waiting for you to come and meet me so that we can continue with our next session.
How did you do that? How did you switch the AC on through your cell phone and not from its remote? How did this magic happen?
Hold on, this isn't magic. This is the next technology that you are going to learn.
Well, I'm all set.
Okay, but before that, imagine this situation. When the alarm of your smartphone rings in the morning, you wake up and tap it to stop the alarm, which causes your geyser to be switched on automatically. The smart mirror in your bathroom shows the day's weather and also indicates the level of water in your overhead tank. After you take some groceries from your refrigerator for making breakfast, it recognizes the shortage of stock in it and places an order for the supply of fresh grocery items. When you step out of your house and lock the door, all lights, fans, geysers, and AC machines get switched off automatically. On your way to office, your car warns you about traffic congestion ahead and suggests an alternative route. And if you are late for a meeting, it sends a message to your office accordingly.
Oh my God! What is this world? Is such a situation even possible?
Absolutely yes. We can reach to such a situation with the help of IoT.
I've heard this buzzword IoT in some article, but I'm not aware of its actual meaning. What is IoT?
The Internet of Things, IoT, is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure, creating opportunities for more direct integration between the physical world and computer-based systems, and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefit. Things in the IoT sense can refer to a wide variety of devices, such as heart monitoring implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, electric clamps in coastal waters, automobiles with built-in sensors, DNA analysis devices for environmental or food or pathogen monitoring that assist firefighters in search and rescue operations. These devices collect useful data with the help of various existing technologies and then autonomously flow the data between other devices.
But how does this happen? There must be some complexities involved to make such things happen, isn't it?
To understand how IoT works, we need to understand various components and related processes associated with IoT. A complete IoT system integrates 4 distinct components: sensors or devices, connectivity, data processing, and a user interface. Sensors or devices. First, sensors or devices collect data from the nearby environment. This could be as simple as a weight measurement reading or as complex as a full video feed. A person uses sensor or devices because multiple sensors can be bundled together, or sensors can be part of a device that does more than just sense things. For example, your phone is a device that has multiple sensors: camera, accelerometer, GPS, etc. But your phone is not just a sensor. However, whether it's a standalone sensor or a full device, in this first step, data is being collected from the environment by something. Connectivity. Next, that data is sent to the cloud, but it needs a way to get there. The sensors or devices can be connected to the cloud through a variety of methods, including cellular, satellite, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, low-power wide-area networks, LPWAN, or connecting directly to the Internet via Ethernet. Such option has trade-offs between power consumption, range, and bandwidth. Choosing which connectivity option is best coming down to the specific IoT application, but they all accomplish the same task: getting data to the cloud. Data processing. Once the data gets to the cloud, software performs some kind of processing on it. This could be very simple, such as checking that the temperature reading is within an acceptable range, or it could also be very complex, such as using computer vision on video to identify objects, such as intruders in your house. But what happens when the temperature is too high or there is an intruder in your house? That's where the user comes in. User interface. Next, the information is made useful to the end user in some way. This could be via an alert to the user, email, text, notification, etc. For example, a text alert when the temperature is too high in the company's cold storage. Also, a user might have an interface that allows them to proactively check in on the system. For example, a user might want to check the video feeds in their house via a phone app or a web browser. However, it's not always a one-way street. Depending on the IoT application, the user may also be able to perform an action and affect the system. For example, the user might remotely adjust the temperature in the cold storage via an app on their phone. And some actions are performed automatically. Rather than waiting for you to adjust the temperature, the system could do it automatically via predefined rules. And rather than just call you to alert you of an intruder, the IoT system could also automatically notify relevant authorities.
Unbelievable. Well, from the imaginary situation you mentioned in the beginning, I can understand how IoT can benefit individuals. But how it will be beneficial for the companies?
Before coming to that, let me introduce you to my assistant.
Your assistant?
Yes, meet Rudel. Hi, Rudel.
Hi. How may I help you?
Tell me benefits offered by IoT to the industry.
IoT offers many benefits to the industry, such as unprecedented connectivity, increased efficiency, cost savings, and time savings.
This doodle is based on IoT. Unbelievable. Technology is incredible. I would love to learn about these benefits briefly.
So, IoT offers many other benefits industrially, such as unprecedented connectivity. IoT data and insights from connected applications and devices empower organizations with the ability to deliver innovative new products and services faster than their competitors. Increased efficiency. IoT networks of smart and intelligent devices provide real-time data to arm employees with the information they need to optimize their day-to-day efficiency and productivity. Cost savings. IoT devices provide accurate data collection and automated workflows to help organizations reduce their operating costs and minimize errors. Time savings. Connected smart devices can help organizations enhance the performance of systems and processes to save time.
Right. I also now feel that IoT can bring lots of benefits for the companies. But I also sense that there are some risks associated with IoT.
You are correct. Let's see the limitations of using IoT. Limitations. 1. Concerns for data security and privacy are growing because of the rapid increase in the number of connected devices in homes, offices, and industries. 2. These devices are vulnerable to hacking. 3. People are very much concerned about the possibilities of their data being stolen from devices. 4. There could be 3 potential hack points: devices, network, and cloud. 5. Data is on the fly on networks, while at rest on devices and cloud. 6. To attack servers, IoT endpoints could be used by hackers as launchpads. These risks can be mitigated by following steps. Device designers and software developers need to incorporate adequate security and privacy measures at the initial stage of design and development. It is very much critical that we as individuals and all the companies which are going for IoT should ensure proper security mechanisms. Let us have another session of a quick knowledge check.
So, IoT is the future, am I correct?
Indeed, as per Gartner's prediction, by 2020, more than 50 billion devices are going to be connected to Internet in one way or another. These devices got to be intelligent and self-reliant. With the help of intelligent computers embedded into devices, the primary aim is to make things autonomous. This process will obviously build a parallel society of more than 100 billion smart, intelligent, self-reliant and autonomous machines in parallel to human society. These machines will certainly help us in making business and production processes efficient. We have already entered into an intelligence-driven world. It will fuel continuous process of human evolution through a series of new inventions.
Wow! Now I have a clear perspective of Internet of Things.
This was all about IoT. I hope you enjoyed learning it.
Yes, indeed. This was really fun and informative. Thanks for sharing this wonderful information. I'm glad to have met you today.